my homemade simonilla or soji pudding with strawberry toppings with crushed walnuts and raisins. I already sliced it. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make new recipe. So I put 3 glasses of water like this kind of glass. So water is already start to boil. Now we can add now this sugar, 1 glass of sugar, or I will not put all sugar because maybe this is very sweet. So mix natin until dissolve this sugar and cook with low flame, just normal flame. What is that sounds there? I don't know what they are doing there up. They are making cage for pigeons. Fahad also there up. Now sugar is already start to dissolve. And this is my first time to make. So inshallah it will become successful again. This is my new recipe. I watched this one in YouTube, but I make my own version. I add more some ingredients, or I add more increase ingredients. Now sugar is already dissolved. Now we can put now this what you call this? This is we call here soji. This one, this is simonella flour. This one I'm making for especially when there is winter season, especially when snow falling, yung yung halwa, soji halwa. Ayan. So lagay natin ang 1 glass na soji o kaya simonilla. Yeah, tama ba yung aking pag-pronounce? Ito siya ito yung simonilla yung binili ko ito soji. Masarap ito yung halwa na especially pag winter, snow falling, ito yung aking niluluto. So ayan, mix natin. And then we can add now also drops of vanilla. I don't have, if you have vanilla powder, then you can use vanilla powders. I don't have available vanilla powder, so I use this, what you call this, syrup, vanilla syrup. So mix natin until maging paste itong itong simonilla o kaya soji. Ayan. Now we can turn off now the flame. So this is already cooked. Ayan. It's already paste. Now turn off natin first ang flame. Ayan. Then we will transfer this one in tray. Now we can put now this one. So I already put here. Next I have to do is I have to slice pieces of strawberries. 2 or 3 pieces of strawberries. So watch nyo na lang kung ano yung aking gagawin na recipe for today. I use only 4 pieces of strawberries. I buy this one half kilogram. This is 200 rupees. So only 4 pieces I use. After slice like this, that now we can put here. Pasensya na kayo silangga. Ano yun, pasaway silangga eh. kinuha niya yung ano, ini-slice ko. Ayan. And then, next we have to do is we have to add sugar here. Half glass of sugar. And then, lemon juice. This is juice, lemon juice. Must be we have to put also juice for lemon here. Ayan. Take out natin yung seeds. Add more 2 pieces of strawberries. So we will leave this one until become dissolved this sugar. It will become juice, these strawberries and sugar. So leave for 10 minutes hanggang matunaw itong sugar. Another bowl, I put 2 tablespoons of corn flour instead of cornstarch because I don't have available cornstarch, so I use this corn flour. 2 tablespoons cornstarch or corn flour, equivalent to 25 gram. And then we have to put water, half glass of water. And then we have to mix this one. We have to dilute nice this cornstarch with water, corn flour pala. And then next, we have to put now this diluted corn flour here in strawberries. First, we have to broke these strawberries here like that. You see the sugar, it's already melted. Now it's already become juice, sugar and strawberries. So next we have to put this one here, this diluted corn flour, and then we have to mix again like that. And then next we have to put this one in a container or a saucepan. We have to cook this one. Now we can put now this one here in saucepan. And then we have to cook this one for almost 10 minutes until we become paste. Stir natin, continue. So it's already cooked, this strawberries with sugar with diluted corn flour. So we have to turn off now the flame. Ayan. Ayan, halo-haloin natin para lumamig. And then we can put here in what you call this semonilla or soji. But first we have to cool this one. When become cold, then we can put here. malamig na yata. Tingnan ko nga. Mainit pa. So it's already cold, this one. Now we can put now this one here in cook simonilla or soji. Ayan. Lagay natin lahat. So I already put this cooked strawberries. Now next we have to do is we can put this one in refrigerate for almost 2 to 3 hours or keep in cold place. Ayan. After removing from refrigerator for almost 2 to 3 hours, you can put any kind of toppings like this crushed nuts, walnuts, or any kind of toppings you put here. Then you can slice it. And this is my new recipe for today. This is simonilla or soji pudding. And this is best sweets or dessert after eat your meals. Ayan. Kumbaga panghimagas sa Tagalog. After removing from refrigerator, now we can put design or decorate with toppings. This is crushed walnuts and raisins. So we put toppings here. Ayan. Ayan. So now we can slice. We can slice, then we can taste. We have to slice like this or like that. Now like that. So it's okay. And then we have to cut like this. And then next, now we have to put in plate. Now we can get from here so that we can taste. Now we can put here. Ayan. It's like maha blanca. Ayan. Now we can taste now this one. Ayan, tikman natin kung anong lasa nitong aking ginawa. Bismillah, barakatillah. Masarap. Masarap. Sarap.